Oh, I really want to know what other animal we will make today. I think I found something interesting. I guess there is somebody hiding inside this cute box. Let's open it. Ugh, it's kind of tough. Okay, here we go. Aha! It's a zebra. What a little prankster. Zebra is looking around, trying to pick up the perfect color. What will she choose? I want to be pink, just like Barbie. Let's get to it. Excuse me, Zebra, but this is my roller. Go and play somewhere over there. In the meantime, I will roll this piece of pink clay really well, but not too thin, though. Now, let's place our zebra mold against it and press it a little bit. Like this. Here goes a click. And this is what we've got. Come on, Zebra. Come on out. There you go. Hey, roll around. Oh, I think she's a little bit lazy. And would you just look at all these stripes? Let's make them more visible. Hi, Giraffe. Hey, Elephant, did you recognize me? I'm the glamorous Zebra. Zebras are very interesting animals. Do you want to know more about zebras, friends? All right. Right after birth, a zebra baby immediately tries to get to its feet. And within an hour, it is happily frolicking and jumping around. And actually, zebras are black with white stripes and not white with black stripes. Okay, we're moving on. I'm looking. Hey, I don't get it. Where is the next animal mold? Maybe it's hiding somewhere? Here you are! You shouldn't be late, Foxy. So what colors are left? Green? Pink? White. No, I don't like it either. This is the right color. I want to be blue. Just a little bit of patience, Foxy, and you will be. I'm going to help you. Here goes some rolling again. It's pretty easy. The next step is getting the right shape. A little bit of pressure. Now we're getting rid of the extra clay. And just like that, we get a cute blue fox. Let's add a few decorations to make her even more pretty. Here is one more. Very well. Wow, this valley is so beautiful. Roar, what animal are you? Well, you are right about to know more about me. Foxes are very gracious animals, but they are very strong too. A fox can run without stopping during a whole night. By the way, foxes can make more than 40 different sounds. Can you imagine? That's very interesting, right? Oh, who is this? I can't believe it. Is it? Yes, it's a big butterfly. Is she willing to be green? Or does she want to be pink? That's right. Let's make a pink butterfly. As always, we'll start by rolling out a piece of clay. Where is our mold? Go ahead, fly right over here. I won't hurt you, I promise. We don't need this, but we do need a few details. But our pretty butterfly can't do without a beautiful flower. And there it is, just what we need. Such a tough choice. White or green? White or green? My roller never gets tired. Do you like playing with clay, friends? Also, I really like to have a lot of cool molds to play with. Wow, just look at this. Here comes the red part of our flower. Oh, it almost looks like the real one. Do you agree? The butterfly is in a hurry. She wants to meet all her new friends. And this is just the perfect place for her to land. This cutie loves flowers so much. Butterflies come in all shapes and sizes. The tiniest ones spread their wings for only 2 millimeters. These beauties can see only 3 bright colors. It's red, yellow, and green. We have only one animal left to make, but it seems to be missing from my magic candy bowl. What? Is it my turn already? Sorry. This honey is so good. Okay, I'm ready to go. Hi, Bear. We have only one color left for you, and it's white. So, you will be a polar bear. You already know what step is next. we need to press our mold to get the bear shape. Okay, let's see what we've got. Oh, great! Well, hello, everyone. It seems that I am a little bit lost. Do you know what way is North Pole? Hello, Polar Bear. You need to go right that way. Why, thank you, Butterfly. And while I'm still here, let me tell you a few fun facts about polar bears. We are such good swimmers. Our fur is kind of oily. That makes it waterproof and keeps polar bears warm even in very low temperatures. Oh, just look how cute are those big wild animals. This is it for today. We made a lot of great figurines from clay. You should try that too. Give us a like. Don't forget to subscribe and see you very soon. Bye!